What's going on, everyone? I want to show you guys the trade of the day that we took in Evolution Traders today. Now, I was on the live trading call inside of my community, and we were kind of watching this play, and we were watching this play, and we were watching this play because it was really, really good. Okay. Now, many of you guys are familiar with the 20 SMA on a 5-minute time frame. Well, it doesn't just apply to the 5-minute time frame. It also applies to the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame and the 1 minute time frame and the 4 hour time frame. But notice here how we close below the 20 SMA. Notice how if I was to draw a trend line and have at least 2, even 3 touch points, we break through and close below. Okay. So what I can do on this particular setup is I can tell myself, if we break through that previous hour's candle's low and we close, right? We close outside of range, outside this range, which is here, we have a new low. Now, you could have aggressive scalpers and aggressive day trader could have taken this trade once we got through this range. And why this is significant is because once you're trading below the 20 SMA, yeah, you're going to get intraday pops on a small time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute time frames. This candle is definitely going green. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. But once you really close outside of range, let's get down and dirty into a 5-minute time frame with those same levels that we've got here. And what we would be looking for in these types of situations would be once you break that low, and you can see we had a low point here at 970 is the price, 21,970. We get a breakdown here. That low price is 21,968. We have 2 little candles back test, and then here we absolutely flush. You could have taken this candle here for 31 points. This is 5 minutes, 31 points. This alone will make your day on the right kind of size. This alone here is a $500 trade on one mini contract. This alone can get you paid each and every single month from prop firms. Just waiting for one good trade. This one here can do it. Now, what's the confluence? Well, we're below the 20 SMA on a 1 hour time frame. We've broken the previous hour's low and put in a new low. And now we just got solid confirmation that we're breaking down from this range. This was a beautiful scalp here that many of us inside of Evolution Traders took. And we also had another setup because this was that following hour candle's low here. Look at what happens once you break that low. You have a little bit of a bounce, right? Confirmation. An aggressive scalper is going to take this from 21,094 all the way down to 21,909. I mean, there was 15 points just in this wick. But let's say you were looking for more of a continuation. You break below that previous hour's low. You get into the trade here. Yeah, it bounces a little bit, guys. But this bounce, truthfully speaking, is only about 10, 13, 14 points. Okay. It never takes out your reason why candle. What's the reason why candle in this particular situation? It's the candle that breaks below that hour range, which is right here. And that's 10:05 Pacific Standard Time. So you can put a stop loss above that reason why candle as long as we don't break and close above it. Even though you're in a little bit of drawdown here, 10, 12, 13 points, you hold. We just back test this prior wick and then gets weak. And once we flush, we absolutely flush, guys. I mean, we're talking about flushing from, breakdown entry price of 21,925 all the way down to 851, 75 points in about 30 minutes time. Now, am I saying you're going to catch the whole move? Of course not. Maybe if you're looking for it. But for me, if I can catch 5, 10, 15, 20 points off this with the right amount of size, 1 mini contract, 2 mini contracts, that's a $3, $4, $5, $600 trade, guys. You log enough of those $3, $4, $5, $600 days in, you're going to get paid out. Multiple areas. This was a 2-part trade because we had the original break below the hour candle that closed underneath the 20 SMA. That was here. Your confirmation was breaking down through the range. Notice the zone breaking down through the range. This was a 30-point candle. 1 mini contract, about $450, $500, depending on slippage and when your entry was. And then once that puts in a low, all you had to do was wait for the continuation on the following hour when a new hour candle opened up. And the new hour candle opened up here when we broke the range. So you could have got in here, Or you could have played it like, okay, we broke this range, break, retest, confirm the new low, and your entry could have been here. Multiple ways to play this setup, guys. At least one entry there, at least another entry here, at least a third entry here. There was 1, 2, 3 times to get an opportunity to take this trade. 3 times. That to me was the play of the day, because based on the hourly chart, based on this hourly chart, the setup was so clean. Like, it doesn't get any more clean than this. Why? Not only is it closing below the 20 SMA, but it also starts to take out London lows. It starts taking out those pre-market areas. And once you get below that, you know it's nothing but downtown drill, baby, drill, right? Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you want to trade with me each and every single day live, where you can maybe get on the call when we are trading these setups, you can join with the link down in the description box below. If you guys need Apex accounts so you guys can continue to trade and load up on those accounts, use code DANTHONY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and I'll see all of you guys on the trading floor next week.